In this video, I want to look at combining Google Jamboard and Google Classroom to maximize the student participation and engagement. So I could create a new jam by using the bottom right-hand corner, or I could go to one I've already created. So I'm going to go into the jam I've already created. So I've opened the file Viking Jam. Now I want to add an image to the middle as a point of discussion. So I'm going to add image and I'm going to Google Drive and into my recent, because it's the most recently looked at. I can see I've got stereotype image there. That's the one, Viking boat. So I'm going to put that down in the middle. And while that loads up, I'm going to then select a sticky note and have a prompt question. So I'm going to say, what can you see in this image? I'm going to put that prompt question up at the top. So my idea for this activity is that the students can work and they can add their own responses on different post-it notes or sticky notes all around the Jamboard, rather than sticking their hands up. So they could all be working at the same time and voicing their opinions together. Now I've got 3 different slides or 3 different frames on Jamboard. I've got 2 image ones and I've got one with a text as well. So the children and students can work through this at their own pace and at the speed they want to, and with the ones that engage them the most. So I've got multiple things happening all at the same time. So there's a lot of collaboration, a lot of engagement. So now I need to share it with my classroom. Now I'm back in my classroom. I just go up to classwork and I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to call it Viking task, what do you see? I could put some instructions in there about what I want them to do, but I'm going to go to add, go find a Google file that I need. Now it will be my recent one because it's a Jamboard file. Remember, it called it Viking Jam to make it easy to spot. I put it in there and I select add. Now I want them to use sticky notes to add their thoughts to each image. So if they're just viewing, they can't do that. If I use make a copy for each student, they can add sticky notes, but they can't see each other's. So what I want is one big collaborative document so its students can edit the file. So now I finally need to add some instructions. So I've got my instructions, paste them in there, and at this point I am now ready to assign. So all I need to do is click assign, and this is shared with everyone, and I can just watch the sticky notes come in on the board.